In this video, I will show you how to disable auto reframe in CapCut. So in order to do that, let's head over and click onto our video. The auto reframe actually can be seen in your smart tools right here, and we have in here the auto reframe. So this can quickly change your video into a different aspect ratio. So when you click on it right here, it will show you the option to change it into other option that you want. So for example, let's auto reframe it into other ratio. Like for example, as of right now they are 1916, let's make it 1:1. Click on apply right here, and it will actually load for a little while. You can see in here the percentage. Now in here, once it's reached 100, you can see that we only have in here this square 1:1 ratio. Now if you want to disable that, what you can do is you can just click onto this undo button. Just click on this undo, or you can also click on Control Z. And once you have done that, the video is now back to what it was before.